Getting in some breaking news updates from Jammu and Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, there's been another terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir, an encounter now underway in Doda. My colleague Gursimran sharing the initial details available with us as of this minute. We have been given to understand that at least 3 Pakistani terrorists have been trapped in this operation. Gursimran with the details. Gursimran.
Yes, Niranjan, we can confirm that an encounter has broken out between the security forces and the terrorists. This is 10 kilometers from the Doda town where this encounter broke out in the dense forested area. The number of the terrorists trapped is said to be 3, and they are the Pakistani terrorists. Very likely that this is a Jaish-e-Mohammed group, because we have seen that these groups that are active in the Doda, Udhampur and the Kathua district, they are from the Jaish-e-Mohammed and are recently infiltrated group. This group is likely the same group that has attacked the security forces on 12th of June in the Chhatargala area. This group was moving in the area. The Doda police, the DKR range team, they were working tirelessly to get the hold of this group. And today at 5:15, that is what we are getting the confirmation of, that first exchange of fire took place, and now the terrorists have been trapped. The senior officials of the Doda police, they are heading towards the operation site. So a big success that a group of Pakistani terrorists that are active in the area, they have been trapped, and now the additional forces, including the Indian Army and the CRPF, they are also being inducted into the operations. Niranjan.
There has been a marked increase in Pakistan pushing in terrorists into India once again. Gursimran, just this morning we were picking up details of Jaish-e-Mohammed increasing its footprint, trying to push in terrorists. And then you have this story now breaking in from Doda.
Yes, Niranjan, see what is happening, that Pakistan is now playing a two-front game. What they are doing is they are pushing the Lashkar-e-Toiba cadre from the line of control that is in the 3 districts of Rajouri, Poonch and Riyasi, while when it comes to the international border of Samba and Kathua, they are pushing the Jaish-e-Mohammed cadre into Jammu and Kashmir. That is to Kathua district, to Doda district and to Udhampur. What they are trying to do is they are trying to destabilize the region that has been peaceful for a longer period of time. But now the security forces have got a major breakthrough, as a group of Pakistani terrorists that was here inside the Indian territory for last couple of weeks, that has now been trapped, and it is very likely that these terrorists will be neutralized very soon.
Thank you for joining us with those inputs. Republic keeping a close track on the situation unfolding in Doda, where 3 Pakistani terrorists are believed to have been trapped.